So what advice I can give to this person? I can see that you were under a lot of pressure about balancing work, schools, and taking care of your mother. I appreciate your effort. Despite of all the hardship, you're still think about your mother, and of course you love her. But it doesn't mean that you are going to be hard on yourself. Health is important not only for your mother, also for yourself. So you need to prioritize your health. If you really love your mother, try also to love yourself by taking care of yourself. Take time to rest if you are feeling tired. And then regarding of the school, check the schedules, talk to your teachers, and ask help. Be vocal to your concern. We don't know that many people will be there for you to help you. So no need to worry about things that will come all together in the end. So because if thinking too much, it will give you more stress, and you cannot do well properly, or you cannot function properly. And stop drinking energy drink that can get you sick. Instead, eat healthy food, rehydrate yourself, and then be kind to yourself, and don't forget to pray. Sharing moments of stress and exhaustion and how I cope with them. So being a mother is not an easy job. During the pandemic, I was home alone with my baby and overloaded with chores while also doing work from home. I was overwhelmed as a new mother, not knowing what to do. My husband was working and we weren't allowed to go out for health and safety reasons. The baby was crying and I was also hungry and I was in pain. There was a point when I just let my baby cry. I didn't attend to her immediately. I don't know that time, but it was an episode of postpartum depression. My husband was about to come home, and when he opened the door, he found me crying with the baby beside me. He didn't say anything, just hugged me and took the baby in his arms to stop her from crying. He said that he was sorry and then he loved us. So I felt so guilty for letting my baby cry, and then I realized that I wasn't alone, that I needed a support, that I needed to be strong, and everything will be okay. You just need a support system in your life. For those individuals who are always tired and lack of energy, so here are the 3 pieces of advice that I can give. So first is remind yourself to be strong. Whatever happens in your life, there is always a reason for that. Showing weakness by asking help is normal. After all, we are all human. Be kind to yourself. Motivate yourself with the support of people you love and who you love. That is number 2. And the last, number 3, I always remember these 2 words from the Disney movie, The Lion King. Hakuna Matata means no need to worry, and everything is by design, meaning everything is happening for a reason. Thank you. Bye.